Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your you and yours reading. Pisces, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most right now. So let's see. Let's start our reading and see who's affecting your energy, Pisces, and what you can do about it. Um, my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Pisces, please, and send them the messages they need to hear the most for this reading. Thank you. So Pisces, we're going to start with the angel blessing card. Let's see what blessing, guidance, advice, or a message they have for you for this reading. All right. Before I even finish shuffling and spreading the cards out, your card is already right here. And the card says steady progress. I'm going to keep this card here, Pisces. Let's see what this means for the rest of your reading. What are you making steady progress in? Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so kind and supporting the channel with your likes, your comments, your shares, your donations to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in Pisces. So newbies, I'll be setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energy. So for the duration of the reading, I will be referring them as person A, person B. You decide which side you resonate best with. Okay? And you and yours, Pisces, is a reading for anyone who's affecting your energy. So this could be a lover, could be a spouse, could be a child, parent, mother-in-law, boss, neighbor, co-worker. So you'll know once you see the cards. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Yes, you are making steady progress. Somebody is. I have a Queen of Pentacles here who is very, very respected, very admired. They take charge of their life. They concentrate on their well-being. Not only can they look after themselves financially, physically, in every aspect of their life, but also they are in a position where they can take care of others. This is the perfect partner to have, the perfect spouse to have. And yes, this person is totally, I think, concentrating on bettering themselves every day. So let's open your cards and see what's happening here. First card for person A is the Five of Cups. Lot of regrets about the past. Seven of Swords. There was cheating, lying behavior. Five of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. Page of Wands. And the Eight of Pentacles. Person B, the Empress. Okay. Temperance. Death. The Emperor. Ten of Wands. And the Hierophant. All right, so the story is kind of clear here today. On person A's side, person A's first card was the Five of Cups, right? So this person is in deep regret. They're having a lot of nostalgia. They're looking back at the past. They're feeling bad about the way things didn't work out. They are healing right now from whatever happened here. Maybe some cheating, lying behavior happened. Maybe there was a fight, and even though I think the fight is over, this memories of this fight and this cheating, lying behavior, maybe it was done by them, right? This has kind of really burdened them. The thoughts of it is burdening them. Because they realize, because of all this cheating, lying behavior, this fight or whatever happened in the past, a lot of delays have come into this equation between person A and person B. They are wishing and hoping to bring things back into balance. Maybe they are trying to heal themselves at the moment. They are trying to find their happiness. They want their wish fulfillment back. They want to bring back some kind of a balance and justice, and are hoping that this conflict will end sooner than later. But there are still a lot of delays here in doing so. they want to send a message. They want to send some kind of a message or get some message from their partner who they know is the love of their life. Okay, this is a very caring, nurturing, kind person who was in their life, but I think right now um, they don't know what work to put in after whatever has gone wrong. They do want to make a decision, and they want to make a decision which can maybe get their person back with them, but and they're doing it because they, I think, are very guilty right now. They know what they've done. They know that they've cheated their partner. They've lied to their partner. They have created unrest, which they want to get over now. They were doing it because maybe they were in a bit of a selfish kind of an energy at that point, and that created a lot of delays here. Now this person wants to get over all their overthinking. They want this message, but the Eight of Pentacles is in reverse. Spirit, why is that? Why is the Eight of Pentacles in reverse? They are fearing that their partner no longer cares for them. They feel they've lost this beautiful connection. Yes, this is the person on person B's side, right? The person who should have been respected for what they were. Person B is showing up as the Empress as well. Now they know who their person is. They know they should have chosen this person B when the time was right. Maybe they didn't put in any effort. They never made that choice when the time was right. Now, because of that, I think a tower moment has happened in your lives, Pisces, you and your partners, and this has kind of, that's how they feel. Person A feels that, yes, now what's the point of putting in work, because now maybe the love is all gone now. This beautiful partnership has ended now, and yes, this Queen of Pentacles, who was the love or the perfect person to partner up with, has made a decision against me. Right? So the person A is going through a tower moment, or they've already been through it, but even though they want to reach out, they are wanting to make this decision to get back. I don't think they have, they're not sure whether their person will receive them now with the same love and affection as before. Person B is coming across as the Empress. They have already healed. They've taken a lot of time to themselves. They've put an end to this equation, even though they knew that person A was their equal match. But because of whatever happened in the dynamic, I think the Empress has decided that I don't want this burden. I don't want to carry this burden anymore. Yes, I loved person A a lot. I looked up at them. I thought they were my equal counterpart. I wanted a balanced, harmonious relationship between the two of us. I wanted a transformation which could bring both of us together. But now I think it's better that I drop even the wish of that, the wish of this beautiful commitment that could have been. So, Empress Spirit? Empress? Yes, Empress is... Empress is the Empress. They are on their way to be the best version of themselves for long-term security, for long-term success. They are not allowing anyone who can create any delays in their life. They are really protecting their energy. They have a focus. They have a goal that they have to achieve. And they're not accepting any more delays in their life. They have spent a lot of time in hangman's position, where they have become enlightened, they have healed, they have taken some time out, and yes, all that steady progress that they've done in their life has actually worked for them, because now they're showing up as the Empress, and now they're at crossroads. Now they have the world in their hands, and they are planning their next move. They want to have a complete transformation of their life. They're looking for that emperor to their Empress. They're not going to be settling for anything less now, I think. So, yeah, now whatever memories that have been created with this past person, I think, are not that great. And I think person B is already now on the verge of looking out for their equal match, somebody who can offer them actually this 10 of Cups. And I don't think person B is even right now talking to person A. They're keeping their thoughts and feelings to themselves about maybe the new person who they are trying to manifest in their life. So, 10 of Wands spirit. Yes, person B has given up even fighting for this connection. They've given up, they're no longer fighting for this connection, they don't want to be burdened with this connection. Person B has a goal in their mind, and I think that goal is commitment. Commitment with a person who really, really loves them. A person who will be the emperor to their empress. They are very clear in what they want out of life. And I think they're realizing now it may not be the past person. Hierophant spirit? Hierophant? They're having a little bit of a difficulty in totally ending the chapter with person A, because when they were with person A earlier, they did have a lot of passion, or person A was very passionate with them. This was a very exciting kind of a relationship that person A and person B had, till it came to an end because of this King of Wands, maybe selfish behavior, or maybe they had their own agendas, they never gave to the relationship. So yes, the little bit memories are there of this, but they're not the best anymore. And person B, I think, is looking for marriage, looking for stability, looking for a partner who can match them. Emperor to the Empress, right? So let's see what's happening in your mutual energies now, Pisces. King of Pentacles, Judgment, and the 10 of Pentacles. Yes. Who's this King of Pentacles spirit? Like I said, I have an Empress here who's walking away from a partnership, walking away to find the person who can match them. They were coming across as the Queen of Pentacles earlier, right? Queen of Pentacles to the King of Pentacles. Now this person is walking away from a emotionally unhappy place, I think, with person A, and moving to a calmer place for themselves, looking for their perfect match. I think they have called judgment on person A now and said, okay, so be it. If it's not going to happen, it's not going to happen. And I allow karma to deal with it. I have spent many sleepless nights waiting for this commitment to come, and it hasn't been delivered to me. One more spirit, Judgment in reverse. I think right now both of you are kind of feeling abandoned and left out in the cold because of one person's decision to move on. I think person A now wants to take action, but the action that they intend to take now is still in the night energy. This is still a very in and out energy. This is still a lot of passion. And I think person B is no longer interested and is kind of wanting to leave this connection altogether and accept it as something that didn't work out, as that they had bad luck with the relationship. So what's this 10 of Pentacles then, Spirit? 10 of Pentacles upright. 10 of Pentacles upright. Ten of Pentacles upright. I think somebody waited long and hard for person A. I think one person really waited for their person to come and offer an apology or a sorry or make things right so this can be achieved, right? The partnership or long-term potential can be offered. But I don't think that apology ever came, or it hasn't come till now. This has really led to a broken heart here, or broken hearts. This chapter may soon come to an end here if person A doesn't take action. Pisces. What's his World card, Spirit? Any chance of a renewal? This Empress is not going to wait around anymore. This Empress has already decided that they deserve to be treated like an Empress.
If person A is only going to give them a Knight of Wands, then I think this Empress is making a decision to shut this chapter and go for a stable new beginning in the direction of somebody, maybe somebody new, who can offer them this. They're very sure of what they deserve, and they're not going to settle for anything less. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.